All I see is blessings, got no time for stressing. Don't believe in failures in my life, it's only lessons. They just make me.
I got this kitchen highland from Amazon. I've always wanted a highland here in the kitchen, like where I can be cooking and putting everything. So I'm super excited I got this one. So let's set it up together. Yeah. It's so heavy. Let me make the other one then. Maybe this one they put the side, then the other one get this. Yeah. Yeah. This one are this thing now. It's like they will put in school. No, the two that they fix and they're marker. They put the number. Okay. Which one be done? They put arrow and S. What can be S? We need to understand that now.
This one's good.
Oh, Cheryl, it's coming to place. So we are using what is it? Guys, it's coming into shape. We started this thing like 2 o'clock and now it's almost 4 o'clock. So how many hours is this one? 3 hours, 2 hours. Almost. Yeah. And we are still fishing. Oh my god, it's not easy. UK, you have to be a carpenter, a plumber, everything. It's do it yourself. Oh my god, I'm so excited. The team is coming into shape now. It's just remaining the wardrobe, and yeah, just remaining just this one, which I'm so happy. Guys, I just can't wait for it to come live. Super excited. Yeah, not called it like that. Okay. From under.
Calm down. Fast.
That one for the auntie. I'm in love with my kitchen highland. Guys, can you see this? I love it so much. Like, one of the things I love about this island is that you can move it around. I can put it here if I want to. I can put it at the window if I want to, and I can also switch it this way depending on my preference. Isn't this cute, guys? Can you see how cute this is? Can you see? That's why I love it. It comes with 2 drawers, as you can see, and cupboard. Guys, isn't this cute? Isn't this cute? I love this so much, and it has also given me a lot of space to put my stuff. Like now, I can just store my kitchen stuff here. Guys, this thing took us like, let me say, we started it around 1:45 and we finished like 10 p.m. at night. As you can see, it was crazy. My husband tried. He did a good job setting this stuff up. Like, it's not easy. Like in the UK, you have to be a carpenter, you have to be a plumber, you have to be everything. If you don't have any skills or have idea on how to do this, you just be spending money calling people to come and help you to fix it. Guys, I'm super happy for this. And you can also adjust the table if you want, like this. So you can see that. You can also adjust the table if you want. I think I'm gonna get another stool. Just put 2 stools at the front there. So guys, this is it. Now I have extra countertop for me to do my cooking video. I don't know if I'm still going to use this countertop cover to cover this, but I don't think so. I love the surface like this. I don't think I'm going to cover this again. So yeah, this is it. I'm so happy about this. If you've watched my video up to now, thank you so much. And if you're new, you're welcome to the family. My name is Precious Osolage. I'm a content creator here in the UK. My content is about motherhood, lifestyle, and cooking. I love cooking, so you'll be seeing a lot of cooking videos on my channel. Please, if you're new, make sure you subscribe, like this video before you exit, and I'm going to see you guys on my next video. Bye. Give you all what your life is. I know what I say. Give me baby girl another night. When you
I say, upgrade and nice, I can get you some. I met a girl from the UK. She a dime, she a cutie. I tell her come if she wanna see me. She love the green and she love when it rains. She said bring up the money from the ATM. Tell your mom